Hi guys, all of you, good morning. Guys, today we will see how to integrate Git repository, local Git to remote GitHub repository. How can we integrate passwordless authentication in Linux machine? So how we can create SSH key and how we can add into GitHub repository, deploy keys, then how we can clone the repository from remote to local, then how we can add and commit and push the files to remote repository without password. Okay guys, so let me show you step by step. So first of all, choose any one Linux machine and make sure that Git is installed or not. So in my version, yes, in my case, I'm checking that Git version. See guys, already I have installed Git in my machine. The version is 2.46.0. And again, check the key is generated or not. SSH key, ll space slash root dot ssh dot ssh. See guys, here no such file or directory. Completely saying that no such file or directory. So it's mean first of all, let me check that ll space hyphen a slash root. See guys, here we don't have that .ssh directory inside this slash root. Now what we are doing, we are going to generating key. By generating key, automatically the .ssh directory also will create. The command to create keys. Keys mean public key and private keys. By using ssh key gen, this is the command to generate or to create private and public keys, SSH keys. Just hit the enter. Wait for yes. Now next hit once again. Now see guys. Now it's going to creating slash root dot SSH directory. Now it's going to creating dot SSH directory. Inside that it will create one file ID underscore RSA. It's a private file. It's a private file. Now here I'm not going to specify any particular file location. Just I'm applying that default. Just hit the enter for a default location, default file. Okay. Next. See guys. Now it's created directly with the name of .ssh inside slash root. Next, if you want to share that passphrase, anyone, yes, just you can enter or else hit the enter default. Just hit the enter key default. Don't apply anyone. Just hit the generally. Next, okay. Again, it's asking passphrase. No need. Just hit the enter. Just default enter, 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 enter. See guys, successfully we have generated two keys. One ID underscore RSA, it's a private key, and this one is the public key. ID underscore RSA dot pub. ID underscore RSA dot pub. Now, okay, just come back. I'm in OPT. Okay, PWD. I'm in OPT directory. Now, just now we have generated key now take that key, cat space slash root dot ssh id underscore rsa dot pub. This is the file. This file is located inside this dot ssh directory. This dot ssh directory is located root. This root located inside slash. This is the command to open the file to see the content which is located inside that any one file, not only this pub file. Pub mean public. Here the pub mean public. Okay. Yes. This is the encrypted SSH key. Take this key without missing any single character. Copy this one. Be careful. Don't miss it. Next, now move to your GitHub repository. Choose that which one you want that. Yes. Now. Okay. Okay, guys. Let me log in. So I'm in another repository. I mean that another user. Now I'm going to log in into this. Yes, this is my regular user. Just yes, just wait, guys. Tanish. Yes guys, it's verified now. Okay, so now here I am choosing a repository. Just wait. Yes, here I am choosing that repository. Yes, this one. Yes, now, okay. Yes, guys, take this key without missing any single character. Copy this one. Now move to repository. Click on that settings. Yes. Now click on that. You can see here left side deploy keys. Select this one and click on that add deploy keys. Yes. Now inside this box space paste here and you can title whatever you want. Just click on this. Okay. Add this one. Select this one. Allow write access. Just click on that add key. Successfully we have added. Now click on this repository. Now we are taking this repository from remote to local. This is the remote. Just click on that code. Just click on that SSH and copy this one and move to your local Linux machine. Now see guys, make sure that okay is that repository is already cloned or not. Okay, yes. In my case, I didn't clone this one. Now I'm going to cloning this. Git clone. Just paste that URL. Yes, authentication apply that yes. Successfully we have added. Now you can see guys. Okay, we got that repository. Now be inside that repository. Yes, now. So these are the files already we cloned from remote to local. Now I'm going to creating some one or two file test case files. Oh, for example, VIM some.java, some.java. Yes, or else git sorry so VIM git class dot sh git class dot sh. Just take this key and copying this one and pasting here. Yes guys, so here this is the empty place, blank place. Okay, just if you want to delete this one, just okay. Yes, escape shift to colon wq. Now git status, git add space dot git status. Now git commit hyphen m. Yes, git class document with step by step practically. Okay, yes, hit the enter. Now git status. So we can't see committed files. Just now, if you want to see the latest commit, just apply the git show. Now see guys, this is the file. So it's a lengthy file now. Just if you want to come out, end up after end of the file or else in the middle of the file, just only apply Q. Don't take any other support keys. Just only Q. You will come out from the editor. Now okay, git push origin main. We are sending to remote repository from local to remote. Before that, you can check it here. See, it's the last month is saying that. Now we can see here just now or 1 minute or something like that based on committed time. Yes, hit the enter. Successfully we have sent to remote repository from local main branch to remote main branch. Now you can come here, just refresh here. Oh, it's created. Maybe time is different, guys. My time zone is different. So what is that scheduled time is different. So that reason we are getting this issue 3 days ago. Actually, just wait, we'll see. Okay, yes, correct. So what is that? 3 days ago, it's mean that 3 days before we have committed. Yes, date. Yes, it's showing that 20. Okay, so that reason here we are seeing that 3 days ago. So if you modify this one, if we set new time, if you commit it once again, yes, we can see with the latest commit. Okay guys, that's it. Okay, that's all the process to uh, for cloning the repository from remote to local. Before that, what we have to do, we need to first of all set the name. Even I forgot to say that if we don't have any name to server, just okay, host name. But of course I have given the git and linux git linux server. If you don't have any name, just you can set name. So the command is host name ctl, host name ctl set hyphen host name space any name. For example, git jenkins, unknown command, spelling mistake. Next exec bash. Now you can see host name. Before that, git linux. Now git jenkins. Okay, like that you can set. Then you can generate the key. You can generate the key and open that key and take that key and move to GitHub repository. Yes, click on the settings, then click find that deploy keys, then click on the deploy keys, then place the key inside that key location. Then you can title anyone, then allow write access, select that checkbox and click on that add key. Once you click on that add key, then you can click on that the particular repository name. Just now click on that code, then click on that SSH, then click on that clipboard. Yes, automatically it will copy the code or URL. Then you can move to your local repository. So mostly better to be inside that slash opt directory and make sure that if the directory what is that the repository is cloned or not. If not cloned, now you can clone that by using git clone space, just paste that URL and hit the enter. Then it will ask the confirmation authentication, apply that yes, then hit enter. So now successfully you clone the repository remote to local. Then apply that ll command. You can find that latest cloned repository, then be inside that repository by using cd space that repository name. Then okay, you just apply that ll command. Then you can choose that whatever the files are located inside that repository. So if you want to create any new file or if you want to modify existing file, just open that vam space file name. Okay, hit the enter. Then you can write whatever you want. If you are choosing that existed file for modification, you can do the changes. Just save and exit, then add and commit and push to repository. So automatically you can see the file inside that remote repository like this. But in my case, yes, here the time is problem, already I told you that. Okay, but in your case, if the time is correct, you can see just now or 1 minute before or 2 minutes ago, something like that we can see guys. Okay, that's all the process to set up or integrate GitHub repository into local mission. Okay, thank you.